Hi guys, welcome to another law short, and in this one I'll be covering how laws are made, also known as the legislative process. The first step of a law being created is, firstly, a bill must be drafted. So a bill is basically proposed laws, and this is usually conducted by a government department in the form of interviews or other sorts of research. The second step in the legislative process is that the bill, so that comes from the government departments or anything else like that, is presented to the House of Commons and House of Lords. This is where debates occur and amendments can be made to the law. The third stage in the legislative process is that the bill must receive royal assent. So it doesn't fully become a law until the current monarch, so that is the king obviously, very recently changed, gives it the royal assent, basically the go-ahead. Once the law has been given royal assent, one of the three following factors must be met in order for the law to gain power in society. The first condition is mentioned in the Interpretation Act 1978, and that states that the law is given power on the day of royal assent. This is usually quite rare, so it obviously doesn't happen too often, but that is mentioned in the Interpretation Act. The second way in which a law gains its power is obviously the date specified in the Act itself. So once it receives royal assent, the date specified in the Act is when it would actually gain power and be implemented into society. And the third way is a specific event has to occur in order for the Act to gain power. This can also lead to something called a zombie act. So if the Act has been passed and royal assent has been given, but the event never occurs, the law will never be implemented into society. Also, please have a read just here in ways in which a law can be amended or repealed, just some information over here on that stuff. But yeah, other than that, thank you so much for watching this law short, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.